Hi everyone, it's Katie. Welcome back to my channel. One of my favorite recipe of all time is spring rolls. I will help you to learn how to make your own fresh and healthy spring rolls. They are even better than you would find at a restaurant. Very easy, packed with fresh greens, delicious sweet spicy chicken and creamy homemade peanut sauce. The varieties of spring rolls are basically endless. You guys can create them with anything your heart desires. Vegetables, fruits, seafood, or any type of meat. Anything you love it. First, let's prepare chicken, which we need to marinate. For this recipe, I'm using 2 chicken breasts, which I sliced already horizontally into even pieces. Then I'm cutting my chicken into thin strips, just like that. To create marinade sauce, I'm using kitchen blender. I'm adding 1 onion with garlic cloves and minced ginger. For the sweetness, I'm adding sugar. You can always substitute with honey, sesame seeds, pepper flakes, which is Korean spicy pepper. For some seasonings, we'll add soy sauce and sesame oil. To combine all the ingredients together, we'll add water. And we'll blend all together to create this creamy marinade sauce. Pour over chicken, add additional 1 onion, which I sliced pretty thick, and mushrooms. Your hands are best tools in the kitchen, so mix to coat everything in the sauce. Then you will cover and pop it to the fridge for minimum 1 hour. For better results, leave overnight. Now quickly peanut sauce. In the kitchen blender, we'll blend together organic peanut sauce with honey. For some spices, I'm adding again spicy pepper flakes. I'm using Korean brand. We'll add Greek yogurt, some soy sauce and milk. We'll blend everything until creamy consistency. Your sauce shouldn't be too thick or too loose. For extra touch, I sprinkle mine with sesame seeds. My ready chicken, which I prepared last night, I will fry until golden brown. Your onion should also slightly get caramelized. This chicken smells amazing. Now I will just place on my serving bowl or plate, sprinkle with sesame seed, and you can cover it and set aside until you would be ready to serve. I already prepared all my yummy vegetables, which I cut to slices. For this recipe, you need rice noodles, which you need to boil with the instruction on the package. And we can't forget about spring roll paper. You should be able to find them at your local or Asian grocery store. Next step, you will fill a large dish with hot water. Take a single rice paper and place in the water to soak, just like that, quickly up to 10 seconds, or until you notice it becomes pliable. For my spring rolls, I always use wood board, which I always try to slightly wet the surface. And from this moment, you need to work quickly. Layer all your ingredients. Here, I'm using rice noodles, cucumber, red pepper, carrots, mint, lettuce, and I can't forget about my chicken. Try to stay away from the edges of the paper. And now, pick up the side first of the spring roll and fold them in over the toppings. Then you will pick up the top edge closest to you and pull over the toppings, as tight as possible without ripping the rice paper. I hope it was not too difficult. Now let me just finish quickly my rest of the spring rolls. my burritos and I'm ready for my lunch. I'm completely obsessed with Thai and Vietnamese food. Here I'm enjoying them with my yummy Thai tea bubble tea. If you're interested in how to make your homemade tapioca pearls from scratch and this yummy drink, please visit my next video. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me below. I hope you enjoyed this yummy recipe. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!